Satsakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
For a moment he remained dead silent, and his body did not move. He became absorbed in the nectar of remembering the Lord's lotus feet in devotional ecstasy, and he appeared to be going increasingly deeper into that ecstasy. On the inquiry by Vidur about Krishna, Uddhav appeared to be awakened from slumber. He appeared to regret that he had forgotten the lotus feet of the Lord. Thus he again remembered the lotus feet of the Lord, and remembered all his transcendental loving service unto him, and by so doing he felt the same ecstasy that he used to feel in the presence of the Lord. Because the Lord is absolute, there is no difference between his remembrance and his personal presence. Thus Uddhav remained completely silent for a moment, but then he appeared to be going deeper and deeper into ecstasy. Feelings of ecstasy are displayed by highly advanced devotees of the Lord. There are 8 kinds of transcendental changes in the body tears: shivering of the body, perspiration, restlessness, throbbing, choking of the throat, etc., and all were manifested by Uddhav in the presence of Vidur.